Hi, welcome to Excel in Life.
Hello and welcome to our masterclass. I am Mrinal Chakraborty, your guide to the journey of Microsoft Word. This is our third episode of Word tutorial, and today we will complete the home tab. At the end of this video, I have kept one question answer session. Comment me if you guessed all the answer correctly. Do you know the original name of Microsoft Word was Multi-Tool Word? But the marketing department felt that was too long, so they shortened it to its current title Word. Clipboard group is called copy-paste. To copy the first paragraph, select the paragraph, then click copy or press Ctrl C. If you want to paste somewhere, click paste or press Ctrl V. If you want to move any paragraph, then click cut or press Ctrl X. Then paste in the location you want by pressing Ctrl V or clicking paste. Now check paragraph got moved. To show you the format painter option, let us change the format of first line. Now we want to copy this format to other line. Select this line and click the format painter. Then go to the location. Note that mouse icon got changed with a paintbrush. Now select the text with the mouse which we want to change. On releasing of mouse button, text formatting got changed. You can also copy a text without its formatting. Let's select this text and copy. Go to paste and click drop down. Click keep text only icon. Only text will be copied and not the customized format. Let us see another amazing feature of clipboard. Click this arrow icon to open clipboard pane. Whenever we copy any text, it will be copied here. If you want to paste any text from clipboard, then simply click on the text. Another utilization of this feature, suppose you want to copy some selected lines from a document. Select the line as per your choice and press Ctrl key or click copy. Then go to your location and click paste all. All the text will be copied there at once. You can paste further unless you clear the clipboard. Now we'll check the styles option. There is various predefined styles are available. You can select from there to save your time. Just explore the various styles. You select and click, it will be applied. You can even create a new style so that it will help you in future to apply the same style. You can make individual para also different as per the style. After applying style, you can also change the color, font, whatever you feel. Now let's see the find option. Once you click the find, the navigation panel will open. Here I have searched for document. You can see 5 results of document is available. Wherever they find the document, it is highlighted. Now replace. Click the replace. You can change after finding document. You can replace the word. Suppose I am replacing document with doc. So what it will do? It will search and replace. Even I want all the document will be replaced at once. Next you can see if I search document, no document available. Now if I search doc, you will get that all 5 docs. Shortcut of find is Ctrl F. Shortcut of replace is Ctrl H. There are other options in find. If you click the advanced option, you will get this find and replace dialog, which just now we have seen. Go to is another option. You can directly go to particular page or a comment. Various options are available. You can select, you can go there directly. From clicking selection, you can select all, which you already know that Ctrl A is the shortcut of select all. You can select object. How it works? If you insert some shape with this option, you can select the object. With the selection pane, you can hide or display this object. Another interesting feature is select all text with a similar format. As an example, I am making some of the word with similar formats. You can observe I have made all other fonts with bold, red color and italics, but the word choose I have not made it italics. So let's see how it works. If you click code, that means bold, italic and red color, it will search all the word with the same type of formats. You can notice it is not selected the choose because it is not exactly same format. Now once it is selected, you can do other things like changing their font, changing their all other formats. Once I change some underline, strike through, it is changing on the highlighted or selected words. In which year first Windows version of Microsoft Word released? Is it 1981, 1983, 1975 or 1989? Answer is 1989. How many click required to select a word? Single click, double click, triple click or 4 times click? Answer is double click. In which group replace option is available? Font group, paragraph group, clipboard group, editing group. It is editing group. Styles group is used for copy text, format text, save changes or delete text. It is format text. So we have completed the home group. In our next episode, we will start the insert tab. If you have any query, then don't forget to write in the comment section.